Strappy strap strap. Ruh-roh, illegal driver.
Oh, kill!
Okay, we're at the shop. Last minute pickup from the yard. Sean needs to get a strap and some tape, and then we'll be on our way. Why so serious? Oh, washing the windows again. One of you asked, why does marrying a Merrill mean that he washes his windows? Well, if you met Sean's dad, the first time I met his dad, we went on a road trip, and don't know what he just said, but anyway, his dad washed the windows at every single stop we stopped at, like every hour. And every time we got gas. I think it's just a Merrill OCD thing. But look how cute he is doing it. Ah, gotta clean the windows. Ah. Wait, what'd you say?
It smells like urine.
What does?
This.
Ew.
One of a homeless person peed in it.
Oh, Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City, where the homeless people pee in the soap. What you doing there?
There's always diesel all over the freaking handle. So I just bring Clorox wipes with me and I wipe everything down all the time.
Do you wipe your butt with them?
Nope. But did anyone remember that show Monk? The guy that was like obsessive compulsive.
Like you?
Cleanliness. Yeah, I feel like Monk every time I stop to fill up. But that being said, we are embarking on the trip.
Look how far away we are.
Yeah, we are so far away. What's going on, guys? So we are embarking on a trip to California with an empty trailer. We just decided
Just an open flatbed.
to haul a trailer with us to California.
Yeah.
So it's not a Merrill family road trip without a snack bag.
Snack bag!
So Daryl's gonna go over what we have in our snack bag. It's not as good as what we normally have, but
We didn't go to the store.
yeah,
and
we
it's
didn't
a
go to the
short
store
trip.
yesterday. And it's just a 24-hour trip.
Okay, an empty bag of Lay's barbecue. I ate them already. 20 minutes into the trip. Doritos.
Okay, yeah, we know you don't need to go over like each bag.
Cheetos. Yeah, we do. More Doritos.
AKA we have multiple bags of chips.
Salsa verde! Sean likes it hot.
Yep.
Hint of lime Tostitos. You guys. Sweet Maui onion. Have you had these?
If you have had them, comment below what you think of them. Hawaiian Life.
Hawaiian Life. Okay. Sean's Wheat Thins.
Yep.
Wheat Thins, big!
Gotta have the wheat, guys.
Cashew and macadamia blend. And apples and oranges and mandarins. We're off sugar. We're trying to be off processed sugar.
Darylyn is off sugar.
I'm off sugar.
But I was going to ask, where's the snack pack?
Give me my snack pack! Is that what you're gonna say?
Where's my snack pack?
I think it snowed here.
Shark. Is that it?
Yeah. It's totally messy.
Well, we stopped here at the Salt Flats and we walked out on it, and we have wet salt all over our feet because I guess it rained recently a little bit, but just brief pit stop and now back on the road. Hey Darylyn, what do you think of this road? This is the worst. Rain loud. I want speed.
couple bugs on the windshield. Better clean it off ASAP.
So we stopped in Winnemucca at this cemetery over here. It's Winnemucca Main Cemetery, because Ulysses S. Grant was buried there. No, we stopped to get some dinner, and yeah,
Where's your door?
Oh, it's two of them. Well, almost got attacked by two freaking hornets. Those are hornets, right? Man, they're probably trying to eat the freaking dead bugs on the car.
No, you washed all of them off at the gas station.
No, but like not on the. That's just on the windshield. Okay, so we stopped in Winnemucca to go to this. Yep. Sub place and
Port
fill
of
up.
Subs.
Yep, Port of Subs. And now we are about to head back on the road. We have 2 hours remaining until we get to Reno.
Reno, Nevada. Reno, Nevada.
Isn't that Viva Las Vegas?
Yeah.
She teaches math, guys. Well, we jumped from Nevada to Idaho, because here's Potato Road. Aw, zoom in. Focus. Potato! Oh. Just know that I wasn't lying. There were.
It was Potato Road.
Did I just
Literally.
say Willie?
Willie.
What the heck did I just say?
I don't know. It was Potato Road. Sunday. Happy Sunday.
That mountain looks really pretty, so I figured I'd film it.
Oh, yeah. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone.
I hope not. Get in this car and peacing out. So we made it to Sparks, Nevada, and check out that legit parking job right there. Even though it's a like rounded curb, still a good parking job. So tonight we are staying at the Holiday Inn, chilling with Darylyn and all of our. We don't have any friends here with us. But yeah, time to go edit this video. And
oh, look at that sunset.
Yeah, the sunset was amazing. But you will have seen that right before this part. So yeah, but sky is still pretty here. Camera doesn't do it justice. The sky looked like it was on fire. Mockingjay Part 4. Isn't that?
Catching fire.
Catching fire. Crap. I tried, guys. But
It's a good effort.
no, it was overall a good trip.
Good nap.
So yeah, see you guys tomorrow for the vehicle debut. Oh, yeah. So we're on the 22nd floor, and Darylyn said we should just take the stairs.
Yeah. Exercise.
But I said we're lazy Americans, so.
We're on the 2nd floor, you guys. He took the elevator.
No, 22. So we just got in the room. Not the nicest Fairfield Inn I've been in, but that's okay. And Darylyn found a chair that is her size.
They have a mini chair.
Literally, it is just your size. Like your feet are even going off the end.
I